Fuck around and find out. Fuck around and find out. I walk the streets with a head held high, sharp tongue like a blade slicing through the sky. You talk big, but your words are hollow. Try to lead the pack, but you can't follow. Damn right, I'm an asshole. Play a game, I'll take control. Fuck around, you'll be filled.
Top of Grindstone. Nice view.
I need to upgrade the brakes on this fucker.
They suck?
The regular G2s, yeah.
Oh.
I need more stopping power. I want to buy those Mavens.
Yeah.
For $550.
Those are...
The kit with heavy duty rotors. Nothing worse than an e-bike slowing me down. Yep, yeah, I know. Tell me all about it. I'm just admiring Dirty Mike here. He's trying to help you conserve your batteries. Yep. You don't want you ripping up the trails just yet. Yeah, dude, so Mandillo, I mean, I think that's a good deal, dude, because it's going to be hard for me to get rid of that bike even after now that it's been welded. Yeah. So, as long as it's a good setup. Yeah, it's a good heavy duty, what's it called, canopy, yeah. I'll show you the picture right now so you can see it. It's at least a $2,000 value. Well, he said that this one that he put out there was $2,500. There you go. But he said he's about $1,200 into it and another $1,200 profit. So.
I'm tired of climbing, bro. What the fuck?
As long as fuck because you're in first gear.
Well, I don't have an e-bike.
Me neither. I'm in third. Third gear leaves me in second. Party train.
The car share was for this car. Oh, that's so bad.
It's gonna follow all of us.
I know.
Go, Mike. Yeah, let's go. Everybody keep it tight. Let's go. Go. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Tight. Hey, we're moving. Slow it down a little bit, Ron. You gotta get it all tight.
Yeah. Cleanse it. Cleanse those butt cheeks.
I'm an e-bike. I identify as one. Get off me, bitch. He's not gonna get his video.
Nah, it's too much turns, bro.
Because Ron's going too fast. The caboose can't catch up with the engine.
The caboose.
Ron, we were joking about you taking it in the rear. You can slow down. He's not going to get you. I'm out of here.
What's the difference between this way and the other way?
I don't know. He said it's less rocks over here.
The difference is this is this way and the other way is the other way.
The other way's better.
You poop?
Horse shit. I think on multi-use trails, the horse fucking riders should be forced to have the fucking shit bag.
Okay. Big old trash bag?
Huh?
Big old trash bag?
Yeah, they got fucking shit bags. They use them in the city.
They do?
Yeah.
Oh, they put them on the horse?
Yeah.
Oh, the shit bag could be. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bag.
Horse diapers.
They ought to make them use them on these trails.
I'm gonna get one for me.
Bombing down a fucking
Can I use it?
trail and fucking
Can I
fling
put
shit
the
in their
poop bag in the back of my bike and I just poop as I'm going?
face. You can't stop unless.
I can't stop! I won't stop! When the downhill starts, Ron, go really fast. Ew! Popcorn poop.
That's bear shit, right?
No.
What?
Little pellets like that?
That looks more like sheep bear.
The hell? Oh!
Ooh, that was loose, huh?
Yeah. You see me? I was like, oh. All right, let's push it. Now we're moving. Yeah. Oh! Are you gonna keep going?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some.
All right. Oh man,
Oh, great.
I don't know which way to go. North, Grindstone. Huddles! Oh, hell yeah! Yeah, I know. The only reason you're catching me is because there's upshills. That's the only reason you're catching me. Because of this shit. Yeah, bro, that's the only reason you're catching me. Oh, hell yeah. I got off that shit. Oh shit. Ooh, stay on the berm. Oh, mud.
Stay high, stay high. They should have built those ramps out of rocks.
They're not bad.
They're not really
Oh, oh. Yeah, it's nice. Oh,
Está más chingón.
you guys want to go faster? You guys are on the bikes.
Ahorita,
Yeah, because this shit is fucking annoying. But, oh yeah, I don't bring this bike. I don't bring this bike to climb. I just want downhill. Órale. Dale, dale. Dale. Go for it, brother. Yeah. Because on those climbs, that's just killing me. Whew. Is it this way, the way out?
Yeah.
Oh, it is? Okay, thank you. Oh, there it is. Hey guys, thank you. Hey puppy. How did you get over here?
I passed
Yeah, bro. I don't know how you passed me. No way. You cut the road.
How did I cut the road?
When it goes out, instead of crossing the road and getting on the single track, you went down the road, huh?
Oh, we all went down the road then.
Oh no, I went to the single track.
Oh, there was